Yo YouTube, it's MBL here. Today we're diving into bStats, a tool that gives you real-time visual stats and graphs about how your plugin is being used on their website. Now, this is actually an updated version of my previous bStats tutorial. If you've tried using the old bStats extension for Visual Bukkit 5, you might have noticed it doesn't work with Visual Bukkit 6. But don't worry, today I'll show you a cleaner, more flexible way to set up bStats with the latest version. First, head over to bstats.org and create a new account or log in. Once you're logged in, go to My Plugins and select Add Plugin. There, choose for Bukkit, Spigot or Paper. Next, add the name of your plugin and click Register. Make sure to copy your ID since we need to use it in Visual Bukkit. Now, click on Maven. You might recognize the tags from my previous video, but you might notice that bStats also requires something called shading, which Visual Bukkit doesn't have. To solve this rare issue, we'll use an extension from Reaper. Go to his GitHub repository, link in the description, click on Releases, and download the bStats extension jar. Alright, it's Visual Bukkit time. Make sure you're using the latest version of Visual Bukkit 6, since older versions can cause weird issues. First, we're going to install the extension. Go to File, Extensions, and place the downloaded extension in the folder. Now, restart Visual Bukkit. In Visual Bukkit, we're going to add the onEnable component. Next, we can drag in the Connect bStats block. Here, paste your ID we copied from bStats. Next, build your plugin and upload it to your Minecraft server. I ran my server for about 30 minutes and as you can see, everything is working perfectly. If you have any questions or suggestions for my next video, let me know in the comments. Goodbye.